Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY squishy. First you need paper, you need tape, and you need scissors. And last but not least, markers. I'm going to be using a pencil to outline my drawing. You need 2 pieces of paper. Let's start off drawing the outline. Finish outlining my drawing. Now we need to draw the face. Finish drawing the face. Now let's color it. Finish coloring it. Now let's cut it out. Now we need stuffing. Here's the DIY squishy. I made a rare dumpling. Bye. Boy.